Hi guys, this is zboymntbn up for another video. And today's video, kuyog ko sa akong mga igsuon, mangukay daw sila. This is the right time to find some stuff sa ukay-ukay. So let's go! Yo, Jares! We're gonna find another ukay-ukayan store here
in Carmen. Transparent nga short.
We found the transparent short.
Hala, nice ba siya ay? Abo, nice siya. Ay, di mo.
So na the juice na boy. Wow, mommy and daddy be lying.
Uy, nindot man siya, uy.
Sa tag 20 nga short niya, teba.
Kaya.
Dito tayo na. 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm gonna buy it.
Okay.
I'm the one, yeah. Uy, kuya, papakantahin. Di ko amdawan, ha?
I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah.
Have a request?
Ang gana nga murag. Oh, Joker.
Oh, napaka-picture din niya.
Kumati. Hi guys. Say hi to my vlog. Girl, how's your first appearance in my vlog?
Ano no, eh, kay... Hello, me.
Sa kono ko tungkol
Bitin ko yung
Sige na eh. Bye guys.
buwan.
So, what's up now? Next stop. Nakagastoro ko ng mga buang. Kapag nagpalit silang sinina.
Papay sa mga.
She's going home to another house.
Like she didn't want to go something.
Yeah. So, me and Jares are walking in the road. Bitaw ipadong namin sa next stop na. Yo, Jares.
But you always said, yo, Jared.
I just didn't know what to say. I was like, hi, Jares. Or I was like, Jares. And everybody is watching us because my hi fans, hi. Yeah, finally we are here in the ukay-ukayan. So bye. We're gonna find some ukay-ukay. Okay, adventure cup. Hi, Kuya Kim. What's here? Find another cups here. Hello, eh. Ka-effort sa tinagibon. But it's still a trash. Up, Jares.
Yeah.
I'm just so desperate na makabili na ukay. So, I'm just gonna go with ano na lang. Danao na lang kami ni Jares. Are we going? Go talaga kami sa Danao. Go. So we are here at the Nangukay Center to find some stuff.
Go. Show us something. Asaya ba? It's kind of cool. Like it inspires you, just like, yeah.
I think it's so cool, but then
Look at that. Like, oh my god, that's so cool. Saan siya? Uy, kasapit niya. So cool. Okay, sis, we're gonna show you something. Oh, good, this thing. Okay.
Hi guys! We're going home with Jerez Montibon. So I guess it's not my day because gamay ra ka kung napalit yun niya. Mga basta ko ko nagdanahan ba. So
Titong yata.
hi guys, isa din yung gig problema di ay.
Wala lagi may kapo sa Instagram.
Sure, hoy. Tulad tala.